action.
And now stop pursuing with Bailey and Maddie. Go!
Okay. We're about to have a burping contest.
Yeah!
Okay.
With chips.
Okay.
What are we supposed to do? What's the rule?
Burp.
You're retarded. Go first.
And we're grading on a scale of 1 to 10.
Rock, paper, scissors! Ow.
Rock, paper.
This is Ty. Our best friend in the whole world. And this is my brother Lucas.
Step, brother.
And I'm nobody. Okay, y'all seriously burp. Start burping.
Your turn.
Y'all both here, scoot over so y'all can both be in the camera.
How about you come this way and they get in the light?
Y'all get in the light.
I give that a 3.
Circle over there.
Get in the light, y'all.
That's a 2. I'm the judge here.
Oh, that was
I'm judging too.
I didn't even drink.
3.
I didn't even drink.
Here, give me a sip. I want to do it. Oh, you hear that?
Oh! That's fun.
These are ours from chips.
What are those chips?
Those are Doritos.
10,
6.
1. That was 10. Okay, let me do it. Whose is this?
Here, I'll do it.
Oh, baby.
What are you doing, dude? You throwing up?
Ew.
Mason.
Throw up.
Whoa, we haven't just qualification.
That little puddle right there is the...
That's disgusting.
Mason, did you seriously just throw up?
Are you crying? Oh, okay. But I can't tell sometimes when
You know what we should do now? Eat a chip.
Mason,
Oh,
look at this.
Oh.
And what do we have to say about that, Bailey?
This is what
Go,
I have to
Lucas.
say.
Know what I have to say? Let's have some fun. Eat.
Dang, Lucas.
10. I give it a 10.
Oh, man, give me more. More.
Give me one chip.
Yeah.
More
Yeah.
power.
Hey, chip.
Chip. Chip rock. Chocolate milk.
Bailey, they should be on our show more often. Like almost
Yeah.
right. Ready? I'm gonna try this. Whose is this?
Move, like, right here.
Hey,
90
are
seconds.
y'all forgetting that I puked right here?
You start.
Hey, Maddie, ready? Lucas, what are you doing?
Oh, I smell my drink.
Excuse me.
Oh, she messed up big time.
Chip. Chip. Yeah. Oh, chip.
You missed it. You got it right in my face. Jerk.
Yeah, I don't know how
Dude,
much time
okay,
I have
fine,
left.
you
I don't
have
know how much memory I have.
Alright, go ahead and stop it. Go ahead and stop it.
It'll stop
And this
itself.
has been
Skillet time with Bailey and Maddie. With chips.